guys, Alina with iFoodReal.com here. Today we're making healthy lemon bars. They are super delicious just like the regular stuff, but much better for you. They're also gluten-free and refined sugar-free and super easy and quick to make. Let's do it. Healthy lemon bar recipe starts by making the crust. So while it bakes, we will make the filling. So grab a large bowl and add super fine almond flour, not almond meal. Then add cornstarch, and you can substitute it with arrowroot powder. Then we add butter, maple syrup, and pure vanilla extract. You mix everything in one bowl. There is no need to mix liquids and dry ingredients separately. And the dough, yes, will be a little bit on a wetter side, and that's the way it should be. It's almond flour, it's ground up almonds. Then you grab a 9x9 or 8x8 inch square baking dish lined with parchment paper with some overhang, and just make sure the corners are covered. So if you grab two pieces, make sure the filling is not gonna go through the crust. And just using your hands, this takes some time. Carefully flatten the crust because again, we don't want the filling to go under the crust. And then we bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Ovens really vary. And I have two ovens, one in the studio and one in the house, and this oven particular bakes hotter. So while the crust is baking, we're going to make healthy lemon bars filling. So you will need 4 eggs and about 4 large lemons, zest off and juice off. So I recommend to buy about 5 lemons just in case they're not juicy. And then we add maple syrup and cornstarch. You can use honey in all of this recipe, but I do think that it creates more overpowering taste. Now, the healthy lemon bars recipe crust is ready, and while it's still warm, you want to pour the filling carefully on top. This helps not to lift the filling and kind of like do it at the corner. Don't let the crust cool down. And this is a very careful and delicate process. You put the bars back in the oven, do it slow so the filling doesn't spill everywhere, and you bake again, depending on your oven, 15 to 20 minutes. Everything almond flour burns very fast. So here are healthy lemon bars, and these air bubbles are totally normal. They're from whisking. We have to chill them for 30 minutes on the counter and then another hour, just 1 hour in the fridge. Many other healthy lemon bar recipes tell you to chill them for 4 hours, not mine. So all we have to do is cut the lemon bars, and that's where I get a little bit nervous because I'm cutting for online audience. Just take your time and cut them carefully, and some of the filling will stick to the knife, and you can always wipe it between the cuts or even dip it in a glass with hot water. Really helps with clean cuts. And that's pretty much it. Oh wait, now icing sugar, because I think not that these bars need extra sugar, but I think it makes them look awesome. Takes them to the next level. Now, these are super fudgy and healthy. I would not call this low calorie or low fat because we have a lot of almond flour and eggs, but they're just more nutritious, and they're just like full of good for you ingredients instead of refined sugar and all-purpose white flour. I can guarantee you this will be the best healthy lemon bar recipe you have ever made. They disappear super fast in our house and will do in yours too. That's it. I died. Taste test.